Assalamu alaikum, namaste and welcome to Halalbox kitchen. Today I'm making chicken Haleem. This is a Hyderabadi dish but enjoyed all over the world. I'm going to be making Haleem today with Halalbox curry cut chicken. I'm using 1 kg, you could use half and reduce the ingredients accordingly, or even make it with boneless chicken. The choice is yours. But I want to tell you, the bones add an extra flavor. Yes, it is messy to debone the chicken after it's done, but it's worth the effort. I've also used a spice called kebab chini, which is used widely in Hyderabadi food. You get it easily at grocery stores. So I would advise you to go ahead and buy this spice for this recipe. Also, the most important thing I want to tell you here, eat your Haleem with a lot of lemon juice. I'm not going to add a lot of lemon juice while cooking, but yes, it is enjoyed with a lot of lemon juice, and maybe add some ghee if you're that brave. But either ways, you make it the way I make it and you're going to love it. So let's go make some chicken Haleem today.
Now let's wash, dry roast these and grind them to a paste. The finer the better, except Dalia. I have here the whole spices. Grind them into a fine powder. Take it out in a bowl and add your turmeric powder, your Kashmiri chilli powder. I've taken this much, but you could add or reduce according to your taste. And there you have it. The Haleem Masala is ready. Now take your washed dalia, add it into the pressure cooker. Add the ground pulses. Add enough water according to your pressure cooker. And now let's cook this. I cooked this for 20 minutes. I have your 1 kg curry cut chicken. You could use half. Let's add some salt. My Haleem Masala. 1 cup curd. Some ginger garlic paste. I've used 10 to 15 green chillies. You could use less or more. These are less spicy, so I'm adding more. A handful of mint leaves. Some coriander leaves. And start mixing this. I'm also going to add the oil from the fried onions. So I'm using around 2 tablespoons of that oil. You could use regular oil, but this has more flavor. Now let's mix it well. I'm going to set this aside for at least half an hour. You could set it aside for 2 to 3 hours as well. Add some ghee in your pressure cooker. Add your shah zira. Add your kebab chini. Mix well. Saute it for a couple of minutes. A minute or so. Add your onions. Saute this. Now let's add the marinated chicken. Mix well. Now we're going to fry this on a medium heat till oil starts floating on the top. There you go. Now let's stir once again. Now I'm going to add some water. This is the water from the masala bowl. Stir, cover this and cook it. I cooked it for 4 whistles because I wanted the chicken off the bones completely. It's done. I'm going to remove this chicken and debone it. Make sure you're careful not to leave any bones back. Also remove the kebab chini. People don't really like to bite into whole spices. So make sure you remove every one of them. There you go. Now I'm going to add this to the cooking pot that I'm making my haleem in. I'm going to add my pulses. This looks grainy right now, but once I mash everything together, it's going to get its desired consistency. I want to get that elasticity that haleem has. Let's add our ghee. You could add more. I've taken 2 tablespoons. Let's add our fried onions. I've made these. You could use store-bought ones. Mix well. If you notice a couple of whole spices, take them out. Now start mashing. I'm going to add some more ghee, mint leaves, coriander leaves. Let's mash, mash, mash. This is going to take some effort, but it's worth it. You can see how this has mixed really well. You can add some water to adjust the consistency, but we eat it like this. Top it with fried onions, melted ghee. Add your mint leaves, chopped coriander, fried cashews, and your haleem is ready. Enjoy!